How's it going, guys? It's time to replace my Thetford Service Door. The hinges are all cracked, starting to scratch my molding. OCD's getting to me. So I bought a new one. And eventually, this one, it has a rain guard on top where the rain just dripped down in there all the time and got it wet. So yeah, we're just going to start by removing this door. It's got a couple tools here, a Robertson screwdriver, those pliers. I got a plastic razor blade scraper to get the sealant off, and some plastic removal tools. Yeah, we're going to start by taking the door off. You have to remember you got to keep this metal part to replace the new door in the opening here. So, take the hinges off. This one I already replaced with just a coat hanger. That's what I got even those pliers for. And there's the busted hinge bit. And this one still has the original plastic pin in it. Pin out, the door comes off. I don't know how much sealant's behind this, but I'm going to take all the screws out. I'm going to remove all this stuff, clean it up. So, yeah, try using this plastic scraper tool. Right, so that cleaned up pretty good. I'm surprised that WD-40 works well. I googled it. Works really well for taking the sealant off. Now with the raw edge, when Heimer cut the opening for the cassette door, they just left the raw metal there. So I have some touch-up paint, but I'm going to clean off with alcohol first, get the WD-40 oil off of it, and touch it up with some touch-up paint. So yeah, I'm going to touch that up. And then we're going to go inside and work on replacing the door front, the old door. So hopefully the paint dries by the time we get back. This is a matching paint pen from Chrysler. Alright, not the cleanest job, but at least it's painted and there's not bare metal there. I'm surprised it didn't even start rusting in the 6 years that it's been exposed. But anyway, now painted and cleaned up, and now we can go work on the door. Alright, so hopefully I can just release the old sealant. So far so good. Yeah, beautiful. That came out. I already replaced this with pink styrofoam years ago because there was some weird mold or something growing out of it before. So yeah, just gonna clean up the sealant around here, and I'll be right back. All right, I am back. We got the door cleaned up. So it just goes in the back like that. And And then this goes over top of that. Now in the package that I ordered, it came with these metal clips. I don't know if it's focusing in on that or not, but I'm not going to use those because it's next to impossible, I heard, to get this back out if you ever had to change anything. And this fits in there pretty tight anyway, from what I remember. So we'll just do that. Or maybe I do need the clips. I don't know why the other one was so tight. Yeah, might as well use the clips. Hopefully I'll never have to take it apart again. Yeah, much tighter fit with the clamps. Use the clips. It's a nice tight fit. Barely need any silicone, but I'm still going to put some in there just so water doesn't get behind. So now we can go to this part. I'm going to use the old screws because they were longer, and they're wood screws because it's going into a wood frame that Heimer put in there. So dry fit it first, make sure all the holes line up, which they do. And there's a little trough in this. I'm going to run a small bead of silicone in there just to make a good seal. There we go. This on, making a mess. Screw up here. Go all the way in yet. All right, once I got all the screws in, tighten them down. I always like to use a hand screwdriver so you can feel, especially when you're screwing into wood, so you don't strip the threads or anything. There we go, nice tight seal. I'm going to put a bead of silicone along the top of this. I don't think I need it down the sides or anything. And yeah, I think I'm going to do a small little bead of silicone all along here. And yeah, we're pretty much done. Sweet. Alright, I've never been a perfectionist at caulking, so I always tape it off first just to keep a nice straight edge. When I'm done, it's clear caulking anyway, so it's not going to show up that badly if it's white or anything. So yeah, at least I can be sloppy and run a bead along here. And not worry about making a mess. Finger a little wet. Get all the excess off. Clean it up. Take the tape off immediately. Things. being impatient. I want everything back together again. Alright, door's on, new set of keys to lock it up, and we're good. That's how you replace the Thetford cassette door 3. If you haven't already, if you like the video, subscribe, click the bell, anything. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.